This is the Benici acrylic paint set, and you're going to receive 12 vibrant colors of acrylic paint, 6 premium artist brushes, a palette knife, a sponge, and also 3 of these canvas panels as well. And look what a beautiful set this is. This would make a great gift for anybody 3 years old and up. Perfect for the entire year, whether it's for the holidays or a birthday gift too, or just because you want to buy it. Perfect to buy for yourself also any time of year. Here's a close-up of the 8x10 double acrylic primed and acid-free canvas panels, and you get 3 of these. You will also get a palette knife and a sponge too. You will also receive 6 of these artist brushes, and they're high quality. You're going to get 3 round and 3 flat. And you're going to get these 12 colors of acrylic paint: white, black, raw lumber, lavender, cobalt, cerulean, viridian, emerald, orange, lemon, scarlet, and crimson too. So let's try this out. I put a few colors here on a paper plate, and it was also very easy to open and pierce and squeeze out my desired colors. I also picked out 3 brushes to use, and look how nice these are. Very good quality. Okay, so let's begin. The first color I'm going to be using is going to be the green, and I'm going to use it for the leaves as well as the stem too. These brushes are really nice, and you can use this for oil painting, acrylic painting, or watercolors too. And the colors just glide right on. Perfect. Now I'm going to do the leaves, and this is great for both adults as well as children too. And painting is such a nice hobby, and it can be very relaxing as well. The nice thing about this, a little goes a long way, and you can just brush it out and evenly distribute it. Now, the next color I'm going to be using is red, and that is going to be for around the flower. This is just painting so easily and effortlessly. I am having so much fun. Now, I'm going to use the yellow so I can paint the flower smiley face. The nice thing is, a little goes a long way. And this would provide hours of fun for little ones as well as adults too. Okay, I'm finished. Look how pretty that came out. Let me show you a close-up. So here's a close-up of what it looks like. And this acrylic paint looks like really good quality. I was sent this from Benici, and I absolutely love it. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.